Hello, welcome back to another episode. Today's episode is a really fun one. It's about everything matcha. Okay, sorry for the malinterruption, but I thought I'll pop in here while I'm knee deep into editing this vlog, just in case you're new here and are wondering what matcha essentially is. Matcha is not this trendy thing which has suddenly popped all over social media. It's actually been around for over 800 years. It's made from finely ground green tea leaves. It's essentially the same plant which also makes a regular green tea, just the younger leaves. It's grown and processed differently. The thing about matcha which makes it so special is that it's got a combination of caffeine and L-theanine. Yes, matcha does have caffeine and it has nearly as much caffeine as coffee, but what makes it different is that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine makes it slow release caffeine. So you're not going to get a caffeine spike or a caffeine crash like you do with coffee. With matcha, you get slow, sustained release throughout the day, which is absolutely great for someone like me. Also, it helps with better focus and better concentration. It's also got antioxidants in it, and there's research that shows that it maybe has anti-cancerous properties as well. Okay, I can literally yap away about matcha and its benefits and why everybody should try matcha, but that's not what this vlog is about. It's about trying all different matcha spots across London. So let's get back into the video. We are currently in West London. We got off at Durham Green and then walked for literally a couple of minutes. I think you just stood there confused. You know your girl loves her matcha, so I thought why not try all the matcha spots in London. I can't do that all in one day because obviously matcha contains caffeine. So we're going to start off today with this viral place on TikTok called Matchado. It is just a couple of minutes walk from Durham Green station. So the plan would be for me to order a regular matcha with oat milk. That way I've kind of set the standard for all the matcha places and I can compare all of them. Basically, I'll be rating them under same ground. So it's going to be iced oat matcha latte at all the matcha spots. And this guy here, I don't know, I'll leave it up to him. If he wants to order a coffee, he wants to order something fun to do with matcha, I'll leave it up to you to decide.
Yeah, they have some fun matcha drinks and why not?
He's not a matcha guy. The whole plan is for you guys to see what kind of matcha spots are there in London and if they're worth it or not, but also for a non-matcha guy to convert him. Essentially, that's the plan. Off we go. We're literally a few blocks away from Matchado. Also, it's a really nice sunny day today in London. Yes, finally. Look at all the options they have. Oh my god, avocado. Fine with oat milk, right?
Yeah.
Got myself a oat matcha latte, and this guy here,
𝗤𝗦𝐚𝐢𝐥.
this is his first time trying 𝗤𝗦𝐚𝐢𝐥 and mine too, but look at this color. Oh my god. Cheers. Okay, this is 10 out of 10.
It's very interesting.
Oh, that's so nutty.
You get that earthy flavor, but it's
like nicely toasted.
this is the flavor which you'd like.
This is so freaking good. Absolutely recommend this place. It's got this nice matcha flavor. It's unsweetened. I don't like my matcha sweetened. In terms of recommend or not recommend, definitely recommend Matchado. Also, I wanted to say that it gives that nice, cute Japanese cafe vibes. It's a really small place, so they probably have 3 tables inside and 2 tables outside, but you've got lots of spots to sit outside, and also you've got a really nice park right opposite there as well if you want to have a seat with your matcha or coffee. This is so good. I just can't get over this matcha. This is like so early on in the video. I'm already like recommend the matcha place. It's the first matcha place I've tried in this vlog and I'm already sold. I also wanted to say that a matcha place is serious about its matcha when they've got 𝗤𝗦𝐚𝐢𝐥 as an option on their menu, so they really do know what they're doing. Off we go to the next one. We've exited 𝗤𝐸 and now arrived in High Street, Kensington. We're off to stop number 2, which is going to be Japan House. If there's one place that should get matcha right, it's the Japan House, so let's check it out. We are in Japan House and this is a matcha review. I've got an iced matcha oat latte and you've got an iced 𝗤𝗦𝐚𝐢𝐥 with oat milk. Cheers! Oh, by the way, let's just first see the color. Look at this color. This is the strongest matcha I've ever had in my life.
Compared to the previous 𝗤𝗦𝐚𝐢𝐥, this is like 10 times more intense.
Oh, that's so strongly roasted. Okay, this is really good matcha for somebody who already has palate for matcha. I would not recommend this for beginners. Having said that, the flavor is so good. Like, I am so happy. I love it. This is like such a good pick-me-up. So in terms of whether I recommend or I don't recommend, highly recommend Japan House. They've delivered and how.
This is like the Americano version of matcha and it comes very close to tasting like coffee. So I'm not complaining, honestly.
Do you actually like it? Or are you just saying for the video?
It's so intense that it reminds me of coffee.
Really?
Yeah.
By the way, the vibes in this place, this is unreal. We've only been on one floor and we've not even seen properly. We need to check out the other 2 floors. They've got a gallery downstairs and a restaurant upstairs. I wonder what they serve at the restaurant. Oh, we forgot we got some other bits to try. We need to do a taste test of these things. Yasaka Monaka. We got a dorayaki. Never tried either of these 2 things. This has got a red bean paste inside it. And this one also has the same thing. This is a good one to start off for beginners. This looks like a pancake and it's got red bean paste. Both of us can try it at the same time. It's a very nice dessert. I've never had red bean paste. Oh my god, it's so fluffy.
It's like a sponge cake.
Round 2. It's like biscuit, but textury red bean paste inside. Definitely coming back to Japan House again.
So the outer part is like the texture and flavor is like soft serve cone.
For today, we'll stop with exploring matcha spots and start early tomorrow. Hopefully have at least 3 to 4 spots tomorrow. And I'll see you on the other side. This was meant to be just a matcha review. Wow, Dean. This was meant to be just a matcha review kind of vlog. We walked for an hour and then we ended up outside Harrods. Actually, we didn't end up outside Harrods. I needed to get myself a mascara. So then we went into Harrods because we were a little hungry and got ourselves some food. And then we just walked across to Hyde Park. Dice rolls. There's one which is prawn mango, 2 Caesar salads and 1 falafel one. And then we got 2 dips. So I chose the sweet chili dip and Dean got the tahini one. So what it looks like. Then obviously we got ourselves a bottle of water. We're just going to have this, enjoy the sunshine. The sun is setting the opposite side, if you can see. There you go. Hello, hello, hello. I don't know why I sang. Today is a Sunday morning. We are back for day 2 of trying every matcha spot in London so that you don't have to. Today we are in East London. We've literally come off Angel Tube Station and it's just a 10 minutes walk to a crowd favorite place called Pophams. I've only tried their coffee. This will be the first time I'm going to try their matcha. People have recommended their matcha, so I'm going to give it a taste test and obviously let you guys know if I recommend it or not. We're a bit hungry, so we might have some baked goods over there as well. We've got a cardamom bun, iced matcha latte, 1 iced decaf latte, and a seasonal fruit special. Let's do the taste test. Color looks really good. By the way, I did not know that the matcha in Pophams is 𝗟𝗌𝐴 matcha. So I've tried this at home technically, but anyway, we are here, so let's try it. Yeah, essentially I've had this at home. It's very subtle because it's not really my vibe. It's not really the taste that I would go for matcha. I would say maybe just not my cup of tea. It's actually not my cup of matcha tea. Let's try the cardamom bun now. It's actually much better than the buns from home. It's very light, it's not too overpowering. Now I'm going to try this one, which is the seasonal fruit one. It's a brioche bun. They've got elderflower cream and fresh raspberries. Bon appetit. That was really interesting. I'll see you at the next matcha stop. So we've just exited Pophams and now we are headed to Mocomade. So this is another highly recommended place on TikTok and everybody says that this is probably the best place for matcha in whole of London, especially in East London. I've seen some of the pictures which look so cute, so I'm really excited. They might actually have 𝗦𝗦 there again if you're interested in trying. So 23 minutes walk from Pophams to Mocomade, which is really not bad walk, honestly. I mean, anything under an hour in London is not a bad commute. Never explored or walked through this part of East London. It's London Borough of Islington. That's where we are. So I got myself honey matcha latte with oat milk and Dean got himself, this literally looks like a 𝗦𝗦. Can you? I mean, it's obviously going to taste great because it's got honey in it. You can taste the matcha and you can tell like it's quite premium quality.
It's very nice.
Dean says this is the kind of matcha he likes, so definitely recommend the place. We also got an onigiri. It's really nice and light in flavor. It's got shiitake mushrooms. See you at the next matcha spot. We were literally about to leave. Dean had gone to the till to pay for the bill, and then he comes back around with a matcha brownie, and now we obviously have to do a taste test. Cheers. It's nice, but I wouldn't order it again. On to the next one. Good morning. This is weekend number 3. Basically, it's the 3rd day of this whole trying every matcha spot in London so that you don't have to. We're currently North London, Hampstead to be specific. We are going to this Japanese 𝗦𝗏𝗃 restaurant, which is on the ground floor, and they've got the cafe on the floor above. We're not going to try the lunch thing at the Japanese restaurant because we've just had lunch, but that means we need to come back and retry it. Anyway, the whole reason we are here in Hampstead is to try the matcha in Karuto. So I'm going to get my usual iced oat matcha latte, and he will surprise us whatever the plan is. Also, I thought, why don't we do a fit check? This top is from, where's it from? Top is from Nobody's Child. Pants are so soft and so nice, are from Uniqlo. Wearing my fabulous ballerinas. This bag is from Urban Outfitters. Jewelry is from 𝗦𝗏𝗶, and glasses are from Jimmy Fairley. One of them is a birthday gift from Dean with tennis bracelet. And then this is 𝗦𝗏𝗶, and this is from a small store in Paris. What are you wearing, Dean?
Nice. My tote is All Saints, shirt is 𝗬𝐶, and my pants are Abercrombie. Shoes are Reebok.
Off we go. Yes, both of them with water. And can I have a soya sesame roll as well? No, we've got our table in it. Time for a taste test. Cheers.
Very similar to Japan House, but better.
This is like the most balanced matcha I have ever had. It's not too strong, but it's not too light. Yeah, it's just perfect.
Best hojicha in London.
That's a big review. By the way, I love your hojicha. How cute are these?
When are we going to eat the teddies?
Oh, it's a lemon cake. I think a bit of the color is just... We've taken a train from Hampstead and we are headed to King's Cross now. We're literally at Camden Town changing the train. So we're off to 𝗦 Pancras King's Cross for our next matcha spot. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's so freaking noisy. Maybe I'll get off the train station and then speak to you guys. Okay, off we go. We are off to our spot number 2 for the day, which is Frothy. It is just a few minutes walk from 𝗦 Pancras station. By the way, if you're a Harry Potter fan, you know you've got platform 9 3/4 quarters here. We have arrived at Frothy. It's looking very busy. Let's go in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Yay! Looks have been secured. Let's find a spot now. I got myself an unsweetened iced matcha latte with oat milk.
I got a dirty matcha, which has brown sugar, syrup, and a shot of espresso.
With matcha in it. Let's give this a nice swirl. Cheers. Not my vibe, it's very light. You were right, I'm tasting a lot of milk. I taste coffee, not matcha.